Today, we are going to talk about infectious diseases. Let's first take a look at what the term infectious disease really means. Infection refers to an invasion of a foreign species. A disease is a bodily condition that impairs normal functioning. Therefore, an infectious disease is a type of disease caused by the entrance into the body of organisms, such as bacteria, protozoans, fungi, and viruses, which grow and multiply. While there are many good organisms in the body that promote functionality, some may cause many unwanted, sometimes life-threatening symptoms. Let's take a look at the types of germs that cause infection. Bacteria are the single-cell organisms responsible for producing yogurt and cheeses and are found in all corners of the earth. However, harmful infectious bacteria are the causes of infectious diseases such as strep throat, urinary tract infections, and tuberculosis. Bacteria can multiply on their own. Harmful bacteria are usually killed through the use of antibiotics. The next cause is viruses. Viruses do not survive on their own or reproduce like bacteria. They attach themselves to your cells, reprogram them, and multiply to continue to kill your cells. Examples include the common cold and AIDS. Unlike bacteria, viruses cannot be killed by antibiotics. Viruses are non-living things. Instead, viruses are treated by antiviral drugs and prevented with vaccines. However, many viral infections cannot be cured, and instead, medication exists to alleviate symptoms and improve quality of life. Fungi are multicellular organisms that can live inside people with weakened immune systems. Examples are athlete's foot and yeast infections. Fungal infections cannot be cured by antibiotics. They are usually treated with topical medicines. According to Medline Plus, parasites are living things that use other living beings, like your body, to grow and multiply. Some examples are malaria and hookworm. They can be treated with antiparasitic drugs. Sometimes it's better to alleviate the symptoms. How are infectious diseases spread? Mayo Clinic lists 4 major ways infectious diseases can be spread. They can be spread through direct contact, which would be person to person, such as touching, sneezing, or kissing, animal to person from bites, scratches, or feces, and mother to unborn child via germs that cross the placenta. They can also be spread through indirect contact, from germs that linger on objects like doorknobs. When you touch these objects and then touch your mouth or your eyes, you can catch them. Through insect bites, mosquitoes, fleas, ticks, or through contaminated food or water. How do we prevent infectious diseases? Wash your hands. Yes, it seems obvious, but the CDC recommends scrubbing for at least 20 seconds. And in a study done by Michigan State in 2013, only 5.3% of almost 4,000 individuals washed for more than 15 seconds. According to the World Health Organization, getting vaccinated can also prevent infectious diseases. Vaccines prevent hepatitis B, measles, meningitis, mumps, rubella, tetanus, tuberculosis, yellow fever, just to name a few. Also, stay at home if you're ill. If you have an infectious disease, how will you know? Some general symptoms include fever, diarrhea, fatigue, muscle aches, and coughing.